Tonight, we are young, so let's set the world on fire. We can go brighter than the sun.
Here we have a local intersection located in the Bradley area. As you can see, traffic is flowing along smoothly. This is until our first yellow light comes. As you can see here, the vehicle that just went through the light was in the go zone, because they had passed the light when it turned red. The go zone is a space behind the intersection in which it is still safe to proceed through the yellow light, without being in the intersection when the light turns red. Now for this black automobile approaching, they should definitely not go. They had to have been in the stop zone when the light turned yellow because they clearly cannot pass through the intersection before the light turns red. The stop zone is the area in which it is unsafe to go through the light due to not having enough time. As you see, once we play this for a moment, the vehicle is right in the center of the intersection. Notice his positioning and the red light. While the black automobile is traveling through the intersection, the light is red. Being in this position is very dangerous because of possible incoming cars. As a group, we discovered what the go and stop zone were given our own variables and the intersection's actual variables. Our average reaction time was about 0.3 seconds, and our negative acceleration was around 6 meters per second squared. The intersection is 20.4 meters wide and has a yellow light time of about 3.5 seconds and a posted speed limit of 15.56 meters squared. If you plug these variables in for the stop and go zone equations, the go zone is 34.06 meters and a stop zone of 24.86 meters. This creates a 9.22 meters overlap zone. Whenever your go zone is greater than your stop zone, you have an overlap zone. This overlap zone means it's safe to stop before or proceed through the intersection. This is a safe intersection. If the stop zone were greater than the go zone, there would be a dilemma zone. A dilemma zone is a spot in which it is unsafe to go or stop. This intersection is safe because it has an overlap zone, but it could be safer because it is not big enough. To make this overlap zone a safer distance, which should be able to fit any size vehicle, it should be at least 20 meters. We did this by changing the posted speed limit to 13.4 meters per second instead. This changes the go zone to 45 meters. With the 45 meters go zone and the 24.84 meters for the stop zone, the overlap zone is now 20.16 meters, which is an ideal amount for safety.
Signing off, this is Rachel,
Brian, and Tyler.